morning guys, my name is the Old Mechanic, and look what I have in my shed today. My daughter-in-law, her BMW F800GT. Guys, what a beauty this is. I really love it. It's a timeless design in my opinion, and I really like it. But what are we gonna do? Well, actually not that much. Change the brake fluid, change the engine oil and the oil filter, the air filter, still good, spark plugs, still good, and I'm also gonna mount a wireless phone charger onto it from the brand Chai-D, which, guys, if you're into a wireless charger, consider the Chai-D. It's really, really good. Another thing, let's see. My son broke off the flasher button, so I have to look if it's broken or perhaps maybe something else. So that we're gonna, guys, another thing. I'm gonna mount a LED rear light. This one is still with bulbs, and I have to mount a really, really nice LED rear light, and we gotta use the Motorscan app to let the bike know that it's now a LED rear light. So I think many more. So this is the plan. Stay tuned to my channel, hit the subscribe button, give me thumbs up, hit the notification button so you get a notification when I put all the YouTube videos about the maintenance, what I'm gonna do on this BMW F800GT. See you the next time.